Welcome to Vlogmas 2022. So excited about Vlogmas this year. I have a goal of bringing you a video every single day for the month of December. It may be a full-length video or it may be a short, but stay tuned for the ride. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, share it with others, and stay tuned for the rest of Vlogmas. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some clips of my son's basketball games. I have one in high school that's playing and one in 7th grade. So I'll be taking you on with me as a cheer mom. So you will definitely hear me hollering in the stand. Also in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the creams and butters that I'm currently using on my natural hair. Stay tuned. So first up in the butters and creams that I'm currently using on my natural hair right now is from a brand that is definitely not new to my channel, but you haven't quite seen them a lot this year, but it is Comet Biologics. So first up we have the Ethiopia Hydrate and Twist Butter, and it's made with olive oil and mango butter, and when I tell you this stuff is so moisturizing and gives bomb definition. Let me show you what the butter looks like. Very thick, moisturizing. So when I use this butter, so I'll get some of the butter in my hand, rub it together, and it just melts into my hands just like it melts into my hair. And I love how it smells. If you have not tried Comet Biologics, definitely want to get your hands on some of this butter. And then also from Comet Biologic is the Amla and Olive Heavy Cream with castor oil and Ayurvedic botanicals. This moisturizer softens and moisturizes very dry, coarse hair. So these products are definitely all hair type, definitely 4C girl friendly. Definitely want to check these out. Let me show you what this heavy cream looks like. Very creamy, moisturizing, and it also smells really good. Can't put my hand on the actual scent, but both of these smell good, very moisturizing, and work amazing. So you definitely want to check out Comet Biologics. Next up in my current creams and butters that I'm using is from a brand that is new to me this year. It is from Trelux. So I've used this twice and I'm absolutely loving it. So this is the Curl Supreme 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream. It says it creates luster, moisturize, and define curls with a soft hold. And it is made with apricot oil, coconut oil, and marshmallow root extract. Let me show you what this looks like. And a little goes a long way with this because I've used this twice. Still have a whole bunch more to go with this Curl Supreme. And the smell Just has a nice, clean, fresh smell. It's very moisturizing cream. So if you have not tried Trey Luxe, they have a gel that is bomb too, and a leave-in. We're here to talk about creams and butters. So if you haven't tried this moisturizer, definitely check it out. Next up in the creams and butters that I'm currently using is from one of my favorite brands, Uncle Funky's Daughter. So I have Extra Butter and Super Curl. Now, Super Curl is a little more lightweight. It smells divine. I would say it is for if you have like less dense hair, thinner type hair, you probably would go with Super Curl. Extra Butter is more on the thicker side, so if you have thick hair, this is thick girl friendly. Both of these work amazing and I love them both. So let me show you the consistency of these. So this is like my third jar, I think, of Super Curl. She's very creamy, not super thick. And the smell is unmatched. And then Extra Butter. It's a lot thicker. So she's thicker than Super Curl, also very creamy. Also smells really good. You know how I feel about Uncle Funky's Daughter. If you haven't tried them, go try them now. Definitely great creams, moisturizers, Super Curl and Extra Butter. Also leave my discount code above and in the description box below so you can save some coins on these amazing products. Next up in the creams and butters that I am currently using is from a brand that I fell in love with this year, Mish Beauty. And this is the Bounce Curl Defining Cream. This little gem right here smells amazing, so creamy and moisturizing. Definition 10 out of 10. I literally did a wash and go just using this cream. I'll link that in the cards above, so check that out. And the definition I got and the longevity of that wash and go was insane. So if you've not tried Mish Beauty, you definitely want to get your hands on Bounce. Hey, next up in the creams and butters that I am currently using is from a brand that is new to me this year. It is Nourish and Shine. This is the Curl Defining Cream. It is for curls and coils. It elongates and defines, made with sunflower and jojoba oil. Let me show you what it looks like. And it's not super thick, but not like runny cream. Just has like a butter smell, but it's very moisturizing and it gives great definition. So I've used this twice now on wet hair and on dry hair, and both results were amazing. So definitely recommend this Nourish and Curl Defining Cream. And last but not least, the butters and creams that I'm currently using is from a brand that is definitely not new to my channel. It is none other than Camille Rose. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 creams and butters from Camille Rose that I'm currently using. So let me tell you about all of them. Okay, so first up is my favorite for the winter because it's so moisturizing. That is the Black Castor and Shea Butter Oil Buttercream. This baby right here is a must have. Love the smell. Love that creamy goodness. The moisture with all of Camille Rose products is unmatched. I say that every time I talk about their products, but this buttercream takes moisture to a whole nother level. So this is definitely my #1 go-to for winter months as far as creams and butters go. Next up from Camille Rose is the Brown Butter Melt. And I tried this for the first time this past summer. I actually did a protective style with this and I was blown away. Like, creamy goodness, so moisturizing, and it smells so good. So this is made with mandarin oil hair balm. It's crafted to nourish, shine, and hold your style in place. Definitely want to get your hands on some of this butter. And then last but not least is my trio from the original line. We have the aloe whipped butter gel. This is made with aloe vera and macadamia oil. We have Curlaid Moisture Butter, which is made with green tea and jojoba. And then the OG of OGs, the Almond Joy Twisting Butter, which is made with sweet almond milk and honey. These three are a must-have. If you have not tried these, where have you been? This Almond Joy Twisting Butter was the first product that I tried from Camille Rose. She is nice and thick and moisturizing. And I love the way that it smells. And then when I tried this aloe whipped butter gel, like a mixture of a cream and a gel in one, I was completely obsessed. So this is what the aloe whipped butter gel looks like. This is a new jar. I just love the way their products smell. So last but not least is the Curlaid Moisture Butter. Show you what she looks like. This is another newer jar. Again, all of these butters smell amazing. I think I'm going to do a comparison video with the butters. So let me know which two you want to see me try first. So we have the aloe whipped butter gel, Curlaid Moisture Butter, and then the Almond Joy Twisting Butter. So let me know which two you want me to try first. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you've enjoyed seeing some of the butters and creams that I'm currently using on my natural hair. If you saw some favorites, let me know in the comment section below. Also, let me know what products you are wanting to try. If you've tried any of these products, let's chat it up in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed seeing my product stash of my creams and butters and seeing me in mom cheer mode. So I go hard for my boys. No matter what sport they're playing or no matter what they're doing, I am their #1 cheerleader. I will always be their #1 cheerleader. As always, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.